Hello, developers. As a UI developer, I share the concepts and challenges I've encountered in real-world projects. For example, today, we are starting an exciting series on building an interactive quiz application from scratch. But before we dive into the code, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how online quizzes dynamically load questions, manage timers, track user answers, and display instant feedback? Think about popular quizzes like those on learning platforms or trivia apps. How do they store questions, handle user interactions, and calculate scores in real time? Well, in this playlist, we are going to build a fully functional quiz system step by step. And by the end of this series, you will have a complete quiz application. This project will not only help you understand JavaScript logic and DOM manipulation, but also teach you how to manage state, handle events, and create real-time interactions, essential skills for modern web development. This quiz application will allow users to answer questions within a given time limit. If they answer correctly, they get points. This application has features like dynamic question loading, timer functionality, answer selection handling, back button functionality, live score tracking, final result calculation, smooth UI updates, fully responsive design. How will we build it? To keep things structured and easy to follow, I have divided this project into different parts. HTML setup. We will create the basic structure of our quiz, the question container, options, buttons, and timer display. CSS styling. We will make the UI look modern, responsive, and interactive with animations and transitions. JavaScript. This is where all the magic happens. Initialization and basic setup, setting up our quiz variables, event listeners, and base functions. Question loading and start setup. Dynamically fetching and displaying questions. Core quiz functionality. Managing user interactions, answer selection, and navigation. Answer handling and timer. Implementing the countdown timer, locking questions when time is up, and preventing late responses. State management. Keeping track of user answers, scores, and progress. UI updates and navigation, ensuring smooth transitions between questions, score updates, and visual feedback. Results and utilities. Displaying the final score, percentage, and performance summary. So, are you ready to take on this challenge? Let's start building. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more UI development tutorials. Let's build this together. See you in the next video.